right, y'all, here we are. We basically have the car done. As you can see here, it took me a few hours to do. I kind of took my time, made sure I did everything right. It's like pretty cold out, so I'm glad I have this Milwaukee jacket to keep me heated. So here it is. We got the engine bay 100% complete. Got everything in there. Everything went in really nice. Didn't have to fight anything. I'm thinking this battery is going to be dead, so I'm probably gonna have to jump it with another car. We got a new air filter, new fuel filter, obviously new oil filter, new oil, all that good stuff. So I have the ignition unplugged right now, the spark. So I'm gonna go crank it and basically build oil pressure. So here we go. All right, it has compression, sweet. So let's check, make sure we don't have any leaks under here. Make sure there's nothing I forgot. Taking a look at my head gaskets, looking good so far. Yep. Okay. I think we are ready to fire this baby up. There is a connector here that I have no idea where it goes to, and then the crankcase ventilation from the throttle or from the intake manifold, so I just need a bigger vacuum line for that, so I'll get that fixed. So it probably is going to have a check engine light and a vacuum leak. I'm kind of expecting that, but it already sounds far better than when I first bought it, and I've never heard this car run. Okay, here we go. She's gonna fire up first try, I promise. Ready? Boom. Check engine light. We've got oil pressure. Here we go. Good stuff. Okay. So I did not have any coolant in the car for that, so that's why I'm shutting it off right now. So happy we got it to fire up. Let's check the oil, make sure everything's looking good. It didn't sound like it was running the best, but that's because of that check engine light and that open ventilation there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that all fixed. I also need a coolant reservoir. I'm gonna go snag that from parts I have across the way. Get some coolant in this baby, and then try and pull that code and go from there. So like I said, fire it up first try once I plugged all this stuff in. Super pumped about that. Oh, I didn't have one plug in yet. Well, not all the way. This one was still loose, so let me go fire it up again and see what it sounds like. It's probably gonna sound better. There we go. That sounds pretty good. All right. Good stuff. Happy with that. Double checking there's no oil from the head gaskets. Everything looks dry. Beautiful. Good stuff. Okay. All right, get up off the ground here. So yeah, we'll go ahead and check everything. Kind of sucks. I just got the seat all dirty. Didn't even think about it, but that'll come out. No big deal. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through this stuff, and then we'll go from there.